How are you all? Fine? Okay, so today we are going to study subject GK of class 2nd. We have completed up to chapter number 2. Yes, we have studied about our festivals. Yes, now we are going to study about our monuments, our historical monuments. So our new lesson, chapter number 3 is historical monuments. Okay, now see here. Take out your GK workbook. See here. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal in the memory of his queen Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, so India has many other historical monuments also. Okay, so that is about Taj Mahal. Now we are going to study about our other historical monuments also. See here, Golden Temple. So tell me first of all, where is Golden Temple? It is in Amritsar. So it is of Sikhism. Okay. Now second is about Charminar. So where is Charminar? It is in Hyderabad. Yes or no? Okay. Then है Victoria Memorial. So Victoria Memorial कहाँ आया बताओ? कोलकाता. Okay. Then Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. Okay. Gateway of India. So that is in Mumbai. Then it is Lotus Temple. Have you seen Lotus Temple? How does it looks? Okay, so Lotus Temple, it is in New Delhi. Then Taj Mahal. We have already studied about Taj Mahal. So tell me, where is Taj Mahal? It is in Agra. Then Imambara. Imambara is in Lucknow. Okay. Then it is Meenakshi Temple. So it is in Madurai. Then Buland Darwaza. Buland Darwaza is in Fatehpur Sikri. So you know about this city and historical monuments. Okay. Now see here, join the following. Okay, you have to match the monuments with the city where it is. Okay, I have told you Amritsar is in Golden Temple is in Amritsar. So see, first one it is Golden Temple. So you have to find city Amritsar, then you have to match it. Okay. So here Golden Temple B में आएगा. Okay, first one with B. Second number it is Charminar, so that is in Hyderabad. So second number with A. Then third it is Victoria Memorial, so it is in Kolkata, so that is with E. Then Hawa Mahal, so Hawa Mahal is in Jaipur. So find out where is Jaipur. See here, C में है. So fourth number with C. Then it is Gateway of India. So Gateway of India is in Mumbai. Okay, we know that. So fifth number with D. Then it is Lotus Temple. So where is Lotus Temple, children? I told you it is in New Delhi. So where is New Delhi? Find. See here, it is in G. Then है Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal कहाँ आया? Agra में. So here see, where is Agra? It is in F number. So Agra with 7 number Taj Mahal. Okay. Then Imambara. Imambara is in Lucknow. Yes. So J. Okay. Then है Meenakshi Temple. So that is in Madurai. So find out where is Madurai. It is in H. So here 9 number with H and 10 number it is Buland Darwaza. So that is in Fatehpur Sikri, that is given you in I column. Okay, so that is then with I. Okay. Now see here, we are moving with our answer in one word. You have to answer the following question in one word. Okay. So first of all, tell me, first number is given to you. Who built the Taj Mahal? So tell me, who built the Taj Mahal? It built by Shah Jahan. Yes. So आप लोग यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? Shah Jahan. Okay. So Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan. Okay. Remember, you all have to remember this. Answer in one word also and match the columns also. So तुम लोगों को तुरंत माइंड में आना चाहिए. गोल्डन टेम्पल मीन्स अमृतसर, चारमीनार मीन्स हैदराबाद. ओके, so इस तरह से बाय हार्ट रहना चाहिए. फिर इसमें से तुम कॉलम में से आंसर ढूंढ सकते हो. Then it is, where is Lakshman Jhula? So we didn't have studied about Lakshman Jhula. So first of all tell me, what is a Lakshman Jhula? So Lakshman Jhula, यहाँ पे झूला है मीन्स तुम लोग समझते होगे swing. Yes, but Lakshman Jhula is not a swing. It is a suspension bridge. It is one kind of bridge. Which name is given to it is Lakshman Jhula. It is not a swing. Remember this. and it is in Rishikesh and Uttarakhand. Okay, so where is Lakshman Jhula? It is in Rishikesh, or you can write also Uttarakhand. Okay, then it is, where is Gateway of India? So tell me, where is Gateway of India? It is in Mumbai. Yes, we have studied. So here you will write Mumbai. M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Okay, then which historical monument is seen in Amritsar? Now question is same, but it is given you by transferring it. हमने क्या बोला? गोल्डन टेम्पल कहाँ है? अमृतसर में. अब तुमको यहाँ पे क्या पूछा है? अमृतसर में क्या है? समझ में आया? क्वेश्चन सेम है पर वो तुमको डिफरेंट रीड से पूछा गया है. ओके, सो अमृतसर में क्या है? गोल्डन टेम्पल. सेम आंसर. ओके, सो हियर यू विल राइट गोल्डन temple. Then it is given to you, where is Lotus Temple? Okay, so children tell me, where is Lotus Temple? It is in New Delhi. Yes, so here you will write New Delhi. Clear up till here? Taj Mahal built by Shah Jahan. Then Lakshman Jhula is in Rishikesh. Okay, or in Uttarakhand. Okay. Then Gateway of India, it is in Mumbai. Fourth number, historical monument. अमृतसर में कौन सा historical monument देखने को मिलता है? It is Golden Temple. Yes. Then it is Lotus Temple. It is in New Delhi. Clear up till number 5. Now we are moving further with number 6. In whose memory Taj Mahal is built? So Taj Mahal is built by Shah Jahan, but in whose memory? He is Queen Mumtaz. Yes, so here you will write Queen Mumtaz Mahal. Okay. Clear? It is built by Shah Jahan in the memory of Queen Mumtaz Mahal. Okay, and it is in Agra. It is built in Agra. Okay. Now see, where is Charminar? So children, where is Charminar? It is in Hyderabad. So here you will write Hyderabad. Clear? So Charminar is in Hyderabad. Then which historical monument we can see in Kolkata? कलकत्ता में कौन सा historical monument है? Victoria Memorial. Yes. So here you will write Victoria and here you will write Memorial. Okay, Victoria Memorial. Then Meenakshi Temple is in which city? So we have learned that Meenakshi Temple, it is in Madurai. Okay, so here you will write Madurai. Then where is Taj Mahal? We have studied. It is in Agra. Yes. So here you will write Agra. Then which historical monument is seen in Jaipur? So Jaipur में हमें कौन सा historical monument देखने को मिलेगा? हवा महल. Yes. So यहाँ पे तुम लोग लिखोगे हवा महल. Then which historical monument is in Madurai? So मदुराई में कौन सा historical monument है? Same question है. देखो मीनाक्षी टेम्पल is in which city? मदुराई. और मदुराई में क्या है? मीनाक्षी टेम्पल. Same question है. See. समझ में आ रहा है? क्वेश्चन तुमको ट्रांसफर करके भी दे सकते हैं. So यहाँ पे मीनाक्षी टेम्पल. Clear children? Taj Mahal built in memory of Queen Mumtaz Mahal. ये आंसर याद रखना है, इंपॉर्टेंट है. और स्पेलिंग के साथ आप लोग क्या करते हो? आंसर राइट लिखते हो, स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिख देते हो तो आंसर रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, है ना. चारमीनार इट इज इन हैदराबाद. देन कोलकाता में क्या है? विक्टोरिया मेमोरियल. देन 9th नंबर इट इज मीनाक्षी टेम्पल. इट इज इन विच सिटी? मदुराई. 10th is Taj Mahal. It is in Agra. Yes. And which historical monument is seen in Jaipur? So Jaipur Hawa Mahal. Yes. And which historical monument is in Madurai? That is Meenakshi temple. Okay children, so clear up till here. Okay, so we will meet in the next lecture.